Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app, which is located right here. And you want to specifically open the Contacts app because it has options to import and export contacts. So once you tap on the bars right here, you go into Settings, and then scroll down and you have the import and export. Now we're at the moment interested only in importing contacts from SIM card. So tap on that and select it, and then it will give you a list of all the contacts that are located on that SIM that you have in the device. So for me there's not very many, but I'm also gonna just choose one number to copy. So let's just select this, and from here, once you have selected all the numbers that you want to move, tap on the check mark, one SIM contact imported. And now if you go back, you can see that there are two numbers. So that is basically how you would copy contacts. You can also export them to basically create a file. So if you go back to the settings and you have the export option, just tap on allow. And right now it will take only all of two numbers and create a VCF file where you can basically send it to yourself. So if I tap on save, contacts will be exported shortly. So I'm assuming they're already created. And now if we go to the storage itself, so wherever I have the file explorer right here, stop on allow, cancel. We should be able to find it fairly quickly, hopefully. Let's actually check once more where it was saved by, I guess, creating it once more. So if I tap on export, it's going to downloads. Okay, so it's in the downloads folder. So right here, let's go into downloads. I guess not this one. Where do I have the, there we go. So let's see, downloads, this one, there it is. So you can see that you have the contacts VCF file, and you can tap on it, just tap on import, and it basically imports it. You can also email this file to yourself. So basically go to the, you can hold it, I guess, from here, send, and then you choose your email and send it to, for instance, yourself, and then you will have it on your mail. And whenever you log into get a new device and log into a new device, you can get it from your email and immediately transfer it without any problem. So it's just a fairly neat feature that you can do. Okay, but yeah, that's basically how you would copy contacts and I guess also back them up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.